I have a 10-year-old rinnai 1004F. Code 11. It will not restart. How do I repair the ignition? The air filter is clean and full tank of propane.
Hi, I'm Mike and I have 20+ years of experience in the home improvement field. Have you just gotten your tank filled? You may just need to bleed the air out of the fuel line if you just got your tank filled and clean any debris in the gas inlet that got stirred up when the tank was refilled. Just turn the gas valve off and remove the gas inlet line. There is a screen there that will collect debris. Verify igniter is working. Turn off gas valve feeding the appliance. Unplug igniter wire. Hold the igniter wire with an insulated pair of pliers about 1/4 inch from a piece of metal. Cycle the unit to ensure you see a spark when unit is cycling. If not, check ignition system for loose connections, damaged components or disconnected plugs back to PC board. If no spark is noted, check the ignition board to verify it is getting the proper voltage from the PC board. See troubleshooting document under the unit's front cover for proper voltage and connector numbers. Note, there will be no voltage present unless the unit is going through the ignition cycle. Make sure the ceramic sparker electrode is tight in its mounting bracket. You should not be able to move it with your finger if gasket is intact. If loose, remove it and clean with dollar bill. Reinstall using new gasket and ensure it is tight when the installation is finished. If the electrode is loose, the tip can drop down and touch the burners, creating a short or no spark. A loose flame rod is called a floating flame rod and will result in code 11s or 12s. Verify the proper flame rod wire is plugged into the proper flame rod. Some units have multiple flame rods. A quick check to verify correct wiring is to look at the stamped letter on the bracket at flame rod. Sample A Y indicates yellow, R equals red and B equals blue. Verify the flame rod is tight in its mounting bracket. You should not be able to move it with your finger if gasket is intact. If loose, remove it and clean with dollar bill. Inspect flame rod for cracks. Reinstall using new gasket and ensure it is tight when installation is finished. A loose flame rod is called a floating flame rod and will result in code 11s. I haven't heard from you. Was the information I provided helpful?
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.